Welcome everyone. In this video tutorial, we will explore more on how to edit videos in Blender. We have already added a video as can be seen on the timeline. The process of importing a video is already explained in previous tutorials. Set the render range by changing the final frame value according to total number of frames in the video. If the video is too long, you may shrink the view on timeline pane by scrolling mouse wheel down to make the strips entirely visible. This makes it easier to work with them. Once the final frame is set, we move on to the next part. Since we won't need audio, we delete the audio strip if it exists, else proceed with only the video strip for editing. Find the point where you want to cut between two clips. Usually it is a good practice to cut the videos wherever the scene changes. For this you may require some time to find the exact moment where the scene changes using the cursor. Take your own time to find it. For every video this location of cursor may be different. Place the cursor at the required point and press K on your keyboard to add a split, or you may also go to strip option and click on split. Now, place the second strip on a different channel and overlap it slightly with the first strip. Select the first strip. Hold the Shift key and select the second strip. Go to Add, Transition, Wipe. A transition block will appear on top of the second strip. Place the cursor before this block and press the play button to preview the transition. You can change the transition duration by dragging the second strip horizontally on the sequencer. Play the video and observe the changes. Let's apply effects to the transitions. In the Strips tab, under Effect Strip, select Transition Type Double. Play the video to see the effect. You can further enhance your transitions by adjusting the blur width value. Set it to 1, play the video, and observe the changes. And there you have it. You have learned the basics of video editing in Blender. Feel free to experiment with different transitions and effects to create stunning videos.